Hello everyone, I am Ishmael Khan from mcqsland.com. This video is one of the videos from Histology series. This video includes some important quiz questions from chapter Nervous Tissue. I recommend to practice complete series in chapter-wise order to learn complete course. You should download free all-in-one courses app and ebook for quick learning by clicking URLs in description. Now we start our learning session from Nervous Tissue quiz with MCQ number 1. The neurons be composed of option A all of others, option B axons, option C dendrites and option D cell body. The correct answer is option A, which is all of others. MCQ number 2. Another name for the neuralema is option A Sichuan cells, option B ganglion, option C sheath of Sichuan and option D mesoglea. The correct answer is option C, which is sheath of Sichuan. MCQ number 3. The two types of tissues that are especially present in the central nervous system included option A gray and white matter, option B white matter only, option C soft tissues and option D gray matter only. The correct answer is option A, which is gray and white matter. Before proceeding to the next MCQ, I advise you to download All-in-One Courses app, a free interactive app developed by mcqsland for quick learning. This app includes more than 300,000 MCQs, quizzes, flashcards and polls for histology, microbiology, biochemistry, cell biology, molecular biology and zoology and many other courses. I also advise you to subscribe for the premium version to access all features like unlimited honey jars, ads-free quizzes, detailed answer key and view complete analytics. You may cancel the subscription during the trial period. Please read details in description to download app from iOS and Android URLs. Thank you. Let's go to the next MCQ. MCQ number 4. The proportion of the liquids and proteins in the myelin is approximately option A 20 and 80% respectively, option B 80 and 20% respectively, option C 30 and 40% respectively, and option D 190% respectively. The correct answer is option B, which is 80% and 20% respectively. MCQ number 5. The length of the Paschen corpuscles is nearly option A 1 to 5 mm, option B 1 to 3 mm, option C 1 to 6 mm and option D 1 to 2 mm. The correct answer is option D, which is 1 to 2 mm. MCQ number 6. The subsidiary nerve centers that send and receive nerve fibers is formed by option A glia, option B neuroglia, option C mesoglea and option D ganglia. The correct answer is option B, which is neuroglia. MCQ number 7. The cluster of the nerve cell bodies outside the central nervous system regarded as option A ganglia, option B glia, option C neuroglia and option D glial cells. The correct answer is option A, which is ganglia. MCQ number 8. The cytoplasm of the axon is termed as option A cytoplasm, option B neoplasm, option C exoplasm and option D anoxoplasm. The correct answer is option C, which is exoplasm. MCQ number 9. The myelin sheath is composed of the lipoprotein named as option A high density lipoproteins, option B low density lipoproteins, option C cyclomicrons and option D myelin. The correct answer is option D, which is myelin. MCQ number 10. The synapse that form between the axon of one neuron and dendrites of another neuron referred to as option A axosomatic synapse, option B exoaxonic synapse, option C synapse and option D exodendritic synapse. The correct answer is option D, which is exodendritic synapse. MCQ number 11. The supporting cells of the central nervous system are option A ganglia, option B neuroglia, option C glial cells and option D mesoglea. The correct answer is option B, which is neuroglia. MCQ number 12. The color of the white matter is due to the presence of option A soft tissues, option B myelinated nerve fibers, option C neurons, and option D nerves network. The correct answer is option B, which is myelinated nerve fibers. MCQ number 13. The dura matter composed of option A filament, option B elastic fibers only, option C collagen and elastic fibers, option D collagen fibers only. The correct answer is option C, which is collagen and elastic fibers. MCQ number 14. The efferent extensions of the neuron are named as option A perikaryon, option B cell body, option C dendrites, and option D axons. The correct answer is option C, which is dendrites. MCQ number 15. The diameter of the Pacinian corpuscles is about option A 0.5 to 1 mm, option B 0.3 to 4 mm, option C 0.1 to 1 mm, and option D 0.5 to 7 mm. The correct answer is option A, which is 0.5 to 1 mm. To conclude this session, I advise you to download All-in-One Courses app, a free interactive app developed by MCQs Learn for Quick Learning. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos for all courses related to your major. Thank you for watching this video and take care.